What you saying, gal and gents? If you're here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be filming an edge control tutorial. I normally do my eyebrows first before I do my hair. I'm gonna get my eyebrows started, so that's why my eyebrows is done. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I do my edges with locks. Okay, products I use is She's the Bomb Edge Control. Listen, this is the best. Now I don't know about summer because I'm just trying this out, but she's the best. This is what I was using from I got my locks, so we're gonna try this one out. And then I normally get the regular edge control brush and I get hair ties. Okay, so what I normally do is I put my locks up. Today I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it up like. Just listen. This style right here. That's my go-to hairstyle. Okay, that's my go-to hairstyle. How we want it fixed. See how that's giving you that sleek, and my makeup ain't even done yet, so you know. So just, you don't know, I just like it to form how I want to form. Okay, the style I'm wearing, I'm gonna do the pineapple up, do whatever you want to call it. That's what I'm doing today. Okay, now we're gonna get the edge control, put it on the brush. Now use a lot of edge control, okay, because keep in mind now your hair is natural and you want a bunch of product in your hair. So I normally just use a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. We're gonna get started swiping these waves, okay? I don't know why, but for some reason I get excited when my eyebrows are too and my hair been put up. So I don't know, that's just me. But let's get started, okay? So I normally do sweeps. Hold on, you know, sometimes it's getting away. I normally do sweeps. You know, nothing too fancy. So I sweep it with the brush, and then sometimes I let my hand trace it, and I keep doing that for the rest. We don't want nothing too fancy, okay? We don't want nothing too fancy, because keep in mind now we have 4C hair. Now this is how She's the Bomb works for my hair. Now I don't know your hair type or whatever, but I'm just showing you that the products and stuff that I use. Before I started this video, I oiled my hair with argan oil. This argan oil. I oiled my hair with argan oil before I started the video, okay? So let's get back to the sweets. So now we're gonna do some sweets. And then, you know, pull on the little sideburns. I think that's what they call it. You know, so I got that little look. Pull on the sideburns. I like to do this for when I'm doing my face. So when I contour and I do this side, I got a little, you know, I don't know. So let's do it. Okay, so yeah, we go back over it. Keep in mind now you don't want it too neat. Okay, we go back over it. See, it's starting to curl up a little bit. So put a little bit more on it. Look at this. See? Okay, and then we brush it up. I don't know. And then we go over these ones. Go back using these ones. Now let's do the next side. Okay. So, like I say, do your sweep. Alright, but nothing on this brush. Let me put some on. Okay. Okay, now let's do our sweep. Yes. Now this sweep coming out perfect. And if you was to your edges, you know the struggle and how much times you have to keep going over your hair when it starts doing what it's doing. Because sometimes you don't even know what our hair be doing sometimes. So, you know, that one coming out look perfect for me. So now we're doing this one here. You know, like it don't need to be perfect. We just want it, you know, doing a little something. It don't need to be perfect. Okay, brush it up a little bit. Yes. Now we're talking. Now that one, see, one side always is do better than the next side. You all know the struggle, okay? One side always is do better than the next side, but we don't worry about that. Because we natural, okay? We ain't worried about that. So I normally just, you know, play with this a little bit. And this is the style that I am wearing for today. Quick and ready to go. But for the most part, I like how it's doing, you know. Even though the styling do like how the side do, I like how it's doing, okay. So like, comment, subscribe, give me some edge control recommendations because I've only been using She's the Bomb and nothing else. So, thank you guys for watching.